Hello again and marhaban. So you can count to 99 in Arabic now. I hope you did the exercise in the last video. How about we make it till 100? Let's go. 100 is mi'a in Arabic, pronounced mi'a. There are two ways to write it in Arabic, with and without alif, but they're both pronounced the same. Mi'a, mi'a, the a. Okay? The plural, if you want to say hundreds in Arabic, is mi'at. It's like you want to say hundreds of dollars in Arabic, you would say mi'at ad-dolarat. But if you want to say 500, then you would say khamsu mi'a. You see, in English, it's 500 and not 500s. So the same in Arabic. The special case here, if you want to say 200 in Arabic, you wouldn't say اثنان مئة or اثنتان مئة, you would say مئتان. You see, in English, there's singular and plural. In Arabic, there's singular, double, and plural. This applies to the 100 here. So 200 is مئتان. Focus on the alif and noon. And you'll see it a lot. You'll see them a lot in the doubles. Want to go beyond that, like 1,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000,000? Why not? 1,000 is alf.
Elf. Just kidding.
And yes, if you want to say 2,000, you would say alfan. Again, the alif and noon. If you want to say 5,000, you would say خمسة آلاف. The plural of alf is alaf. But if you want to say 100,000, you would say مئة ألف. Why alf and not alaf? This applies to everything that is counted. If the number is below 10, then the counted is plural. If it is above 10, if the number is above 10, then the counted is singular, except if it's double, of course, in the case of double, in case of 2. Let's explain this with some examples. You already know how to say 1,000 alf and 2,000 alfan. 5,000 is خمسة آلاف because 5 is below 10. So 1,000 here will be written in plural, alaf. But 15,000 would be خمسة عشر ألفا because 15 is above 10. So 1,000 is written in singular, alf, or here alfan. The tanween in alf here is a must, but the meaning won't change if it's not there, but it will sound odd though. This has to do with grammar, so skip it for now. This applies for all counted words. For example, if you're counting books, 5 books would be خمسة كتب. The word kutub means books, the plural of kitab, which is book. But 15 books would be خمسة عشر كتابا. Here the counted is singular, and so on. So okay, let's go beyond 1,000 now. 1,000,000. In Arabic, million. From now on, the numbers are gonna sound almost the same as English. It's like a universal system. The same rules will apply to 2 million is milyonan, the same thing, alif noon, an. 5 million, خمسة ملايين, the plural of million is ملايين. 15 million is خمسة عشر مليونا. Next, a billion. Well, there are 2 words in Arabic for a billion. There's billion, which sounds almost the same, and milliard. The French one is more common, milliard, so we'll use it more. 2 billion, ملياران. 5 billion is خمسة مليارات. The plural of مليار is مليارات. 15 billion, خمسة عشر مليارا. Okay, above, trillion, trillion. 2 trillion, trilliونان. 5 trillion, خمسة تريليونات. The plural here, trilliونات. 15 trillion 15 تريليون and so on. Again, like everything else, leave it to practice. If there's anything else you'd like me to explain regarding Arabic numbers, then please mention it in the comments below. If you have any questions or thoughts, comment below. Don't think twice. And I'll see you in the next video.